Starting a business can be exciting. It's a journey filled with dreams, aspirations, and the thrill of creating something new. You're turning your passion into reality. Whether it's a hobby you've always loved or a groundbreaking idea, you're taking the first step towards making it a successful venture. One of the smartest moves you can make is forming an LLC. This decision can set the foundation for your business's success and longevity. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a business structure that combines the benefits of a corporation with those of a partnership or sole proprietorship. It's a great choice for new business owners. But why choose an LLC over other business structures? Here's the big win: protection. An LLC provides a shield that protects your personal assets from business liabilities. It separates your business assets from your personal assets. This separation is crucial in safeguarding your personal wealth. This means if your business faces debts or lawsuits, your personal belongings like your house and car are safe. You won't have to worry about losing your personal assets due to business issues. An LLC also offers flexibility in how your business is taxed. This flexibility can be a significant advantage when it comes to managing your finances. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship or a partnership. This choice allows you to select the tax structure that best suits your business needs. This can potentially save you money come tax season. With the right tax strategy, you can maximize your savings and reinvest in your business. Ready to jump in? Let's break down the process of forming an LLC step by step. From choosing a name to filing the necessary paperwork, we'll guide you through each stage to ensure a smooth and successful setup. Your LLC's name is the first impression you make on the world. It's the first thing people will see and hear about your business, and it sets the tone for your brand. It's what customers will remember. A memorable name can make a lasting impact and help your business stand out in a crowded market. Choose a name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Think about your target audience and what will resonate with them. A name that is simple yet unique can be very powerful. Get creative, but keep it relevant to your business. Your name should give a hint about what your business does or the values it stands for. Avoid names that are too generic or hard to spell. Once you have a few favorites, check if they're available in your state. This step is crucial to ensure that your chosen name is unique and legally available for use. Each state has a business name database. You can usually access these databases online through the state's business registration website. Make sure no one else is using the same name or something too similar. This will help you avoid legal issues and ensure that your brand remains distinct. Don't forget to secure your web domain. Your online presence is just as important as your physical one. In today's digital age, having a website is crucial. It serves as your online storefront and can help attract and engage customers. Secure a domain name that matches your LLC name to build a strong online presence. This consistency helps in branding and makes it easier for customers to find you online. Now it's time to make it official. You'll need to file articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State office. Think of this as your business's birth certificate. Articles of organization are short and straightforward. They typically include your LLC's name, address, purpose, and the names of its members. You can usually find the forms and filing instructions on your state's website. Filing fees vary by state. Be prepared to pay a small fee, usually around $100 to $200, to submit your documents. Think of an operating agreement as your LLC's rulebook. It outlines how your business will be run and managed. It covers important aspects like decision-making processes, profit and loss sharing, and what happens if a member wants to leave the LLC. While not always legally required, having an operating agreement is highly recommended. It helps prevent misunderstandings and disputes among members down the line. You can find free operating agreement templates online or consult with an attorney to create one tailored to your specific business needs. Section 5. Getting your EN, your business's social security number. In this section, we'll guide you through the importance and process of obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN, for your business. Just like you have a social security number, your LLC needs an employer identification number, or EIN. This number is crucial for identifying your business entity in the eyes of the federal government. This 9-digit number is issued by the IRS. It serves as a unique identifier for your business. much like your social security number does for you personally. It's essential for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Without an EIN, you won't be able to manage these critical aspects of your business operations effectively. Getting an EIN is easy and free. The process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. You can apply for one online through the IRS website. The online application is user-friendly and guides you through each step. The application is simple and you'll receive your EIN immediately upon approval. This instant issuance allows you to start using your EIN right away. Once you have your EIN, keep it in a safe place. It's important to store this number securely to prevent unauthorized use. You'll need to provide it when opening bank accounts, filing taxes, and conducting other business operations. Having your EIN readily available will streamline these processes and ensure your business runs smoothly. Congratulations on taking this important step for your business. With your EIN in hand, you're well on your way to establishing a strong foundation for your LLC. Section 6. Navigating state-specific requirements and fees. Every state has its own set of rules and regulations for LLCs. Familiarize yourself with your state's specific requirements. Some states require additional filings or licenses, depending on your business type. For example, you might need a professional license if you're a doctor, lawyer, or accountant. Contact your state's licensing board to ensure you're compliant. Section 7. Staying compliant, annual reports, and more. Congratulations on forming your LLC. To keep your business in good standing, you'll need to fulfill ongoing compliance requirements. This typically involves filing an annual report and paying annual fees to your state. An annual report is a brief update about your LLC's status. It usually includes information like your registered agent, principal business address, and members. Keep track of deadlines and mark them on your calendar. Missing deadlines can result in penalties or even the dissolution of your LLC. Section 8. Maintaining your LLC tips for success. Forming an LLC is just the first step. To set your business up for long-term success, follow these essential tips. Keep your business and personal finances separate. Open a separate bank account and credit card for your LLC. Maintain detailed records. Track all income and expenses for tax purposes. Protect your brand. Register your trademark to prevent others from using your business name or logo. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving and sustainable business. Section 9. Launching your business journey. Starting an LLC is an exciting milestone in your entrepreneurial journey. By following these steps, you've laid a strong foundation for your business. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of passion. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the wins, and never stop learning.